Hey guys, today I'm gonna put some foot powder on my face. What? Foot powder. If you are on TikTok and you know and seen Nina Pool, then you know what I'm going to talk about. Foot powder. I'm going to show you 3 products that I have been trying, and these 3 products are from Nina Pool, and if you've seen her on TikTok, you know she likes to talk about dupes for other brands. I am using the Monistat Chafing Relief Powder Gel, and I like to put it on my T-zone and put it all over if you want. Next product is Hailey Bieber's Road Milky Toner dupe, and this one is from Byoma. I like to add this to my mixing pan and then just putting a squirt of foundation. This is it. That's all I put. Just a foundation brush. And then you just mix it like that. And I like to dab on my problem area first. So you want to go in the center of your face and then outwards. I like to leave my under eyes bare a little bit because I don't want to cake on too much concealer over the foundation. A damp beauty blender just to blend out spots. So I noticed that doing contour before concealer makes it look a little more natural. Contour brush, and if anyone has communications or in contact with Project Talk, can you please let them know that I only use the cream part and not the powder, and I would just like to purchase the cream part by itself. Thank you. Dabby dab. Dab dab. For my nose contour. Concealer. This is the craziest product that I think might be a game changer for me, because I was shocked when I got home last night, but I wasn't in the mood to take a video, so I'm gonna do it again. So foot powder for translucent setting powder. Like, what? I didn't believe it either, but I'm just gonna use the cap off of a mini Laura Mercier. The only thing about this product is that it's really powdery. Dude, you see that? The shine is all gone. Like, I'm completely matte. That's crazy. Mind blown. Alright, I'm gonna finish my face and I'll come back. Actually, I'll just do it on camera. This is my second favorite blush from Project Talk, and this color is not too much. You start with the powder. So this is after you set your face. It's like super cutesy, natural pink for my skin tone. And then you take another damp beauty blender and then you go in with the cream, and then you just lightly place it on top for a glow finish. Makeup by Mario, that's over eyelid. Last but not least, the lip liner. Look how badly damaged this product is from Amazon. What the heck? At least this part still works. Oops. Done. I'm just kidding, but I still have the side of the other one with the brush. I like to brush it in my lip. This is why having Q-tips handy is important. Almost done. And then if you want to add some glow back into your face, I like the Dior Backstage. I only use this pink one anyways. And go over your blush like that. That's it. And that's it.